Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another Crochet Braids by Trendy Tresses tutorial. This is my river curls and I'm actually using the ombre in 1B27. So you know how this goes. I already start out with a head full of hair because I like to show you my tutorial towards the front of the head. So I'm slowing the video down just so that I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So I'm taking my little tool and I'm pushing it through my braid. And I'm latching my hair onto the tool on that little loop, and then I'm going to latch it closed, pull it through, release the tool, toss that little sucker over there. Now I'm doing my invisible part. Okay, I'm now also taking small pieces of hair from each side and I am knotting it. So that would be my invisible part method / tree braid, and then I'm just repeating it. This is how you know we're getting to the end when we grab those scissors. So I like to frame my face and make the hair look as natural as possible. And by doing that, I like to cut them in a downward position so that I can layer the hair. To give my curls more of a definition, I used my Creme of Nature styling mousse. And I like to make sure I get through all the crevices, the entire head. Okay, 1 week later, I just want to show you how I'm maintaining my curls. This is how they're looking so far. Okay, after a week, they're a little frizzy. I like to separate my curls as much as possible. And where there are like any matted areas, I just take my scissors and I chop off any frizz. And because I do want my hair to grow underneath all of this hair, I just take my castor oil and put it on my scalp. And now that we've completed that, I like to take my mousse as usual and just stroke it throughout my hair so that we can define the curls, make it look nice and new. Lastly, I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to lay down my edges as much as possible. Hair is definitely growing out, so, you know, you still want to give them attention too. But that does complete my tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did like it and this is your first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and comment, and I'll catch you in my next video. I got something I want to see.